100% glad that I took it to work and I sorted out the issue that I was having. But with that being said, let's get into a little drive. Ooh, no. We gotta turn that off. We don't need that. We don't need that. We don't need that at all. Hell no. We need to turn off them burbles. Hell yeah, turn that all the way down. Take them burbles and we're gonna put them all the way down there. There we go. We don't want none of that. Nah, I don't fuck with that. Here we go. Hey, but I think we Gucci now, bro. I think we good. Car's solid. I'm gonna do a little pull on the highway. There shouldn't be any issues. Man, I was frustrated as F today at work. Y'all don't understand how mad I was. Damn. Y'all just don't know how mad I was today at work, bruh. Oh my gosh. Yo, my windows are dark, so that's why, look, you can't really see out of these things. Plus, it's really cool here tonight. It's not hot. So let's see what we could get into. Look at, bro, Korea is, I swear, bro. And he going straight. Nah, he turned. They just different when it comes to driving, bro. Down the side. I'm gonna take the highway. Let me get my toll thingy together. Just gotta keep this like in my hand or something. Had it on the window, but I had it right here where the I took it down. Let's see how they feel on the highway. I was only getting like 3 pounds of boost earlier, and I think that's because I didn't have fuel pressure. Oh yeah, bitch feel like she trying to pull. Hell yeah, bruh. Feel like this bitch back, bro. I was only getting like 3 PSI earlier, or hitting and stop at 15. Let's see what we do on this one. Almost wrecked my shit. It's like 16 PSI on 93. Little night drive. shit feel good, bro. Back, baby. We are back. She sound good. She sound healthy. She feeling good. Ain't no burbles. Let's see if my rolling anti-lag works. Well, not really anti-lag, but because it doesn't pop. Let's see if 55. Oh yeah, we hit. We hit, bro. We hitting, bro. We hitting, bro. We hitting, bro. She's good. And I put it together, like I put everything together tight. I think we solid, bro. We solid. This fuel system gonna be solid for maybe a year or two. There's something coming up behind me. Who that? They be speeding here in Korea, bro. It'd be a regular ass car, Hyundai or a Kia. he apologized. He didn't see me. I don't know how you not see me. I had to use that little gay ass horn. How did you not hear me, first of all? Something's gonna give. Something's gotta give. Black cat. Oh shit, bad luck. Here we go. Black cat done crossed the street. No, it's not black, it's gray. We're gonna go with that. It was a gray cat. I love. Good, bro. She feel good. She feel good. She feels good. Like fuel pressure is fuel pressuring right now. I could tell because it's spinning it. Before it would hit barely. Nah, I wouldn't give it that much. But that's it. Make sure y'all like, share, subscribe. Come back, check out the channel. Peace.